Morning everyone! I feel like I'm always starting my vlogs in my car, but that's just how it is. So this morning I cooked myself eggs at the beach. It was very nice. Watched the sunrise, well, what was of the sunrise. You can tell I'm still sunburnt from yesterday. I don't know, you can't really tell, but my arms are really burnt. My back's burnt, but that's about it. So I just went to the gym, had a shower. As you can probably tell, my hair is still wet. I just filled up my car on $1.70 a litre. What the hell, Harvey Bay? Like, seriously, $1.70? Ugh. And I'm glad I'm getting out of here today because it is, I was going to say pouring down rain, but it's not actually pouring. It's just raining. But I'm off to Mooloolaba today. I was going to stop through Gympie and see the family, but I don't think I'm going to have time because I've actually left it pretty late. So I don't know how to get there either, so I'm just going to wing it. Here we go. Hello, me again with a really unattractive angle. I finally made it to Mooloolaba. It felt like the longest drive of my life. And what I kind of drove through town. What I just realised is that Mooloolaba and Maroochydore are literally next to each other. Like, I drove into Maroochydore and I was like, huh? So I turned around and come back. But yeah, let's go explore. I went for a little wander around Mooloolaba and pretty much it's shops and a beach, so there's not really that much to do here. So I'm just chilling on the beach. I drove up to the lighthouse, which is up there. Wait, where is it? I think I'm going to go to the movies tonight. It is $20, which is so expensive, but I think I'm going to do it anyway. And I think I have found somewhere to park. Mooloolaba's kind of like that way. So yeah, I might park here. It might be a little bit less conspicuous. Yeah, I'm just gonna kind of wander around. Also, the acai bowl place that I go to in Newcastle, it turns out they have a store up here on the beach, which is so cool. So I got an acai bowl and it's my favorite acai bowl in the whole world. So I was very happy about that. Good morning, everyone. I literally look dead. So last night I went to the movies and saw Adrift and it was so sad. I bawled my eyes out the whole ride back to where I parked my car last night. I've just got up this morning, I really didn't want to get up, got dressed and now I'm cooking myself breakfast. I was going to get an acai bowl, but I'm trying to save money. I don't want to really spend another $15. So I'm making eggs because that's all I've got left. So I've come up to Point Cartwright Lighthouse like I was yesterday because the sun's out today and of course it's out the day I leave. So I thought I'd get some photos of Mooloolaba in the nice light. This is the big water tank. It's huge. And now I was gonna drive back into Mooloolaba, but I actually have to drive past the Brisbane turnoff to go back into Mooloolaba. So I've decided I'm just gonna head to Byron Bay. Hey Hey everyone, it's been a long time since I have vlogged, but instead of going to Byron Bay like I was planning, I was driving from Mooloolaba onto the highway and I saw the sign for Australia Zoo and I was like, you know what, Bindi Irwin is in the Crocoseum today, I'm gonna go. And I did, so I did a detour and I've just spent the day at Australia Zoo. So this is what I've got up to. And now I'm gonna drive to Byron. It's gonna take me 3 hours and I'm gonna get there at night time. But I had the best day and yeah, I just wanted to show you what I got up to.
Beautiful out here.
How are you doing these winter school holidays?
Fantastic.
Now, as I stamp my feet as well, my footsteps and all the vibrations all travel out through the water, and he's got little tiny nerve endings that are all the way down his face and down his tummy, so he can actually feel this. So even in water that's really, really dirty, he will still be able to pinpoint exactly where I am so that he can swim in the other direction. Oh, just grab it, mate. Round of applause for Chandler. How good was he? So he waits for them to come to the water to get a drink. That's why it's important he stays under the water. Because he's been here since 2003, he knows we give him his food today, which is why he'll pop up and have a look. But in the wild, if he was hunting, he would stay under the water. He would stay basically submerged and invisible the whole time. What are you doing, mate?
Careful, Toby. He's being strange today.
He's being really funny today.
Awesome. All right. Crocodiles are so amazing. They can actually come vertically out of the water, nearly their entire body length. That enables them to grab a fruit bat on the wing, to pluck a duck mid-flight, and it is extraordinary to see. So we're going to see if Mossman can show you that today, because he is such a cool crocodile, but he's being really strange. Crocodiles have a cerebral cortex, which means that they can learn and remember. So right now he's trying to get us to stick our head in the water, so he can grab us. But we're not going to do that today, Mossman, because we can see you, and that would be silly. Mossman, what are you doing, buddy? Come up here. Mossman, that's a bad place to be, love. What are you doing? Mossman, the food's up here, buddy.
He's up for something.
Mossman. Mossman. Oh, Mossman, don't look at my head, please. You're really scary. Woo! Good work, Mossman! That was awesome! Woo-hoo! Oh. Careful, Chandler. Good work! water. So the crocodile violently head shakes. It's better than the road goes. Yep, it's okay. But now the pig's gonna keep fighting and try really hard not to lose his arms. We have a death roll, you beauty.
So I do not recommend to park in a shopping centre car park to sleep. That many cars that like randomly like showed up at like 3 AM and just parked there for like 5-10 minutes, then drove off, and I woke up every single time. Shocking. Right, let's go get some food. Can I please get 2 hash browns? That's all. Thank you. Okay, 4 hash browns, 4 hash browns. I have my Red Bull to get me through the drive. Yeah. Thank you. Hash browns. Alright, now let's drive to Byron Bay. Finally. Just a day late. So I feel like I need to do a little bit of an update. I am not in Byron anymore. So, turns out I don't like Byron Bay, and I feel like that's just unheard of, like, because everyone loves Byron. But I got there and I felt like so out of place, and like everyone was literally judging me. I think it'd be better if you went with people, but I guess if you're not a surfer either, there's literally nothing to do. Like, there's cafes and stuff, but sitting on your own in a cafe is not fun. So I walked up to the lighthouse, got some drone footage which you would have seen, but yeah, I was not staying there tonight. And plus there's signs everywhere that says like no camping, even on the streets, and I was like, what the hell, how are they gonna know? But they'll know. So I've decided to drive to Coffs Harbour instead, which is about a 3-hour drive south, and then tomorrow I'll head off to Dorrigo like I'd planned. So I feel like yesterday when I went to Australia Zoo and saw the sign and kind of last minute changed my plans to go there, I feel like it was a sign saying don't go to Byron Bay yet, because I was planning on staying there for 2 nights. Now I'm not staying there at all. So things happen, plans change, but I guess that's what happens when you're on a no plane road trip. I am currently at McLean, where I actually started my road trip, so that's pretty cool. And I've been here for about an hour. I edited some videos, charged my laptop up because they had a power point, and I was like, yes. Anyway, let's hit the road to Coffs Harbour. Got another hour and a half left.